Ridhivej Finance presenting SBL Infratech Limited IPO 2021. SBL Infratech company detail. Basically, we are not much finding this about the company. SBL Infratech Limited Private Limited registered on the 10th August 2015 in the Delhi, where this company is changed their name in 2020 28 July as a SPL Infratech. They are based in 14th plot number 44 plot number block B10, second floor, sector 13, Dwarika, and New Delhi 110070. For further information, log on splinfra.com. Yes, they have delivered the project since 2015. They are into real estate business. 2016, they have successfully launched Shubh Niwas project at Neemrana, Rajasthan, where they acquired rural land and converted into residential sold plotting. 2017, they have successfully given Dayal Vihar project Neemrana, Rajasthan. Our business development business span all our activities related to real estate development, which begins in the identification land till the planning and execution cells for development project. Group of companies is GN Utkarsh Realty Private Limited. So basically, Neemrana is the project which is Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor, industrial corridor, where USD 90 billion on financial technical ads, 1483 kilometers political capital business India, Delhi Mumbai MOU in 2006, where Ministry of Economic and Trade Industries. Rajasthan, Shahjahanpur, Neemrana, Berohar Investment Region, Northeast Region, 50 kilometer alignment dedicated also falls in the National Capital Region and National Highway. The Golden Quadrilateral Government of Rajasthan has plans developing global city 40,000 acres in Shahjahanpur, Neemrana, Berohar, and expected million population. Investment options is also available. So this is basically acres of land allotted for industrial by RIICO. The township located in National Highway 8, well connected to the cities and suitable product commercial industrial zone DMIC, DMFC, RIICO, GHILOT, TEPIP, Japanese Korean ceramic zone. So SBL proposal freeholding residential for individual and investors. They did 3 projects. One was a tourism educational hub and major industrial developments. So we talk about a major industrial development. In case of NIIT, Raffle University, Rai University, 38 receiving sanction opening institute for the majors in Neemrana's project. 38 universities. School of Aeronautics, Bombay Institute of Hospitality Management, and Margaret Engineering College, where the tourism fort situated on a horseshoe Arthritis range considered oldest fold mountains. Picturesque site chosen 1464 Raja Rajdev descendant Chauhans who ruled Ajmer and Delhi in 1192, conveniently located NH8 Neemrana, Rajasthan closest palace. So they are talking, when you wanted to sell your land, you have to talk about not only the location of that particular project is more important. So these people has did lot of work in basically into the Neemrana. So they are having Dayal Vihar and Shubh Niwas project. For further information, log on their website splinfra.com. SBL Infratech IPO FPO detail. IPO opening date 16 September 2021. IPO closing date 20 September 2021. Issue type is fixed price issue. IPO face value will be 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 111 per equity share. A market lot size will be 1200 shares per minimum order quantity will be the same and maximum will be the remain same. So listing at Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE and SME, where pre-issue holding will be 90.01%, post-issue shareholding will be 66.33%. Thank you. By Prithvish Finance, we will keep updating you about other SME and normal IPOs very soonly. Yes, we have told you that we will have a surprise for all of you, but we have not yet uploaded that surprise. So we will keep updating you by probably next week. You can wait it until that time, and till the time you can subscribe.